Hey, good morning, Jay here. What is a decision that you are putting off right now? I'm pretty sure that in your business there's a decision that isn't being made right now that could either help you accelerate your ability to create results or change the way you're feeling in some way. Whether that be a conversation you're having or not having, whether that be a subscription that you're holding on to or you're not ending, whether that be a opportunity that you're pondering and whether or not to say yes or no to. And the reason I talk about this is, honestly, I believe that the biggest and one of the most important skills you can master as an entrepreneur is to be able to make effective decisions quickly. And one of my old mentors used to say, money loves speed. Now, the problem that people have is not that they have a decision-making issue, they have a commitment issue. And just bear with me 1 second. So think about this. If you know exactly what you want, and you know exactly why that matters to you, and you're committed to creating that result, are you willing to do anything and everything to make that happen? It doesn't matter whether you fail 100 times. It doesn't matter whether things go wrong. You're just committed to creating that result. Now, what's the reason we don't make the decision? Well, we don't make the decision because, one, decisions are freaking hard. For example, one of the big decisions I made recently was to hire a brand strategist to help me with my personal brand. And I normally make decisions very quickly, and sometimes that's not the best way because I often get stung because I find myself trusting too quickly. I only need to see people be competent once or twice and I'm like, yeah, they're great. Let's hire from them. And so recently I was struggling with the challenge of making a decision between going with one brand strategist and another. And the reason I was struggling is because I was uncertain. And when we are uncertain, we don't fully commit. We don't make the decision. So for me, I was unclear of, can these people extract my personal brand out of me? Because just like any doctor, every doctor needs a doctor, every coach needs a coach. So everybody needs someone who can be objective, who's in their corner, who can actually strategically ask questions to pull that stuff out of them, because quite often it's buried in the unconscious. And a lot of the time it's hard to see the picture when you're in the frame. And for me, I was just feeling like, oh, what is stopping me from making a decision? And normally at the root cause of decision is a feeling of uncertainty, and often that comes from clarity. Now, when we have clarity, it creates certainty. When we have certainty, it creates confidence. When we're confident, it creates momentum. We make a decision, we move forward, we take action. So there's two types of people that I've discovered. There's the people who take action, i.e. they go and do something in order to get certainty, because they're often responding from a place of, this is really freaking uncomfortable, I'm going to do something. Or there's the type of people that sit there and think about things to try and get uncertainty. Now, what typically happens is the longer you put off a decision, then the more doubt you create within yourself, the more uncertainty. And then what happens eventually is the anxiety builds and you just don't make a decision. You end up procrastinating and doing nothing. And then you wonder why you find yourself getting inconsistent results in your business and in your life. And so how do you close the gap? How do you close the gap to get yourself to make a powerful and quick decision? Well, the way you do that is by asking better questions. Because if you can get clarity of what's in the gap for you, what's in the gap that's stopping you making that decision? Is there some information that you don't know yet that you need to lean into and get that from someone? Is it that you're considering hiring a coach and you don't have all the information? Is it that you're considering attending an event or following through on a strategy and you need to reach out to someone, get on a call with someone, have a conversation with someone, research something in order to get clarity so you can make a decision? And as Ryan Holiday says in his book, the obstacle is the way. The clue here, and this is really the clue in pretty much anything in business, in my opinion, is the thing that you're resisting most is the place you really need to go. because that is the biggest opportunity for growth. And I promise you, when you go there and you get that clarity you need, it's going to give you the certainty to be able to make a choice. Now, decision, I don't necessarily like the word because it lives in a world of genocide, suicide, homicide. And so if decision doesn't work for you, try this on. You can always make a choice. And if it doesn't go right, guess what? You just make a different choice. Have a wonderful day, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.